Không gì nữa. Đẹp lắm. Bắt đầu tách ra, I know, it'd be so scary. In the helicopter. Are you serious? This is pathetic. Especially it's one of them.
Come on, people!
Most of you don't have cameras with quick enough lenses to capture it. Huh? Yeah, I would.
Oh, yes,
It would. Oh, are you kidding me? I could have taken multi-frame from when the thing started to when it ended. I'd still be holding the button down.
Yeah.
Down. By the way, where's the American?
why do you always Is the German? Where's the
name?
Oh, that's a hot photo.
Actually, I can totally relate to that.
Right now I can't.
How you doing?
Yeah. Well, yeah. No, now the helicopter crashes. What do you mean, Jinx?
Why was it called Guy?
Oh, that's his name. Guy Fawkes.
It's like if I'm called girl.
Yeah. Well, I mean,
but it is a name.
No, but the thing is, like, back then, it didn't mean the same. Yeah. It's a really old name. Guy Fawkes. When was Guy Fawkes? 18th century? Earlier?
I don't know. I did something.
He tried to blow up the English Parliament. I kind of find it strange to
Celebrating it. That's really weird.
celebrate a guy being set on fire.
It makes no sense.
Okay, this has been fun. Now, where are the big crackers?
Yeah, kiss his cover. Yeah.
I would like to see the helicopter. That's the most interesting thing that they are doing.
Cái này chụp được cái gì đâu.
Like the big raft.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, there's the big rafts out there.
I saw it.
Yeah. Hey, look, there they are. You see them? They just like.
So excited.
Ooh, look at the water.
Một lít không ăn thua đâu em.
Em có 2 thẻ 1 lít cơ mà. Mình được chụp được 10 phút đấy. Woo!
We're all awake now.
Hey, stop it.
Hey, shush. It has only just started.
Come on. Annoying. I like when you say shush.
Don't compare it to Germany. You're never going to be that good.
No, it's not better.
Oh, the ones that like sparkle and go down underneath.
Oh, I like the pink rock. Die. Oh! I don't want It looks like it's raining. What's crystal?
Mấy em không chịu được à? Không, mấy ở có ra một. Thế nào? Có em á? Rồi anh nhảy, mấy rồi.